we have come to a review, which means next is test. So review, financial literacy. Ashley is saving her money in a bank account and earns simple interest. She deposited that. When she opened the account, what is the ending balance of her account at the end of 5 years? So I have simple interest equals PRT. My P is beginning balance of 1,300. My R, which is 1.5%, which is 0.015 in my formula. And my T is 5. So my interest equals 1,300 times 1.015 times 5. The I stands for interest, so I'm multiplying that out, and I get $97.550. That's the interest. Ending balance would be 1,300 plus 97.50, and my grand total is 1,397.50. Guaranteed on a multiple choice test that 97.50 will be one of your choices. Make sure you answer the question. 35% of 150. This is 0%. This is 100%. This is 150. This is 0. This is 50%. This is 75. I know it's less than 75. I'm going to do 35% of 150. I'm going to do 0.35 times 150. .35. $52.50 is my answer. And then I'm going to eat 10% is 15. So 10% is 15. 15, that's 20%, 30%, and 40%. There's 15 in each, and so that's 15 and 15 and 15 and 7.5 would also be 52.50. And if I'm shading this in, it's 10, 20, 30, and half of the 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Whew, there should be another line right there. Okay? And that's got 15 in it also. And there's half of it. Jill deposited $500 in savings account, earning interest compounded. Compounded, how much money is in the account? In the account at the end of 3 years. That's really nice because A is for all, which is P times 1 plus R to the T. Principal times 1 plus, this is a percentage, 0.025 to the third. 500 times 1 plus 0.025 to the third. My account now has $538.44. I need money. I need cents, so it's $538.45 cents, and that is my final answer. And yes, money has to have dollars, and if you have a cent in your tens, you need to put a placeholder 0. Wants to invest $50 per month. The account she puts her money in earns 5% simple interest. When the money is withdrawn, how much would Christine have at the end of 5 years, including the 5%? So $50 a month for 5 years would be 50 times 12 times 5. So she has $3,000 in the account without interest. And then she does 3,000 times the rate. What are we doing? Simple. P times the R, 0.05 times 5. And that is $750 of interest. How much would Christine have at the end of 5 years? Oh, adding, because that's just the interest. $37,750.00 in her account. Okay. An employee put $5,000 in a retirement account, offers 9% compounded. Employee makes no additional or withdrawals. Which amount closest have earned at the end of 5 years? Okay, so we're looking at for interest. And so it's 5,000 times 1 plus 0.09 to the 5th, and make sure that I know that that's the all. And so I am doing 5,000 times 1 plus 0.09 to the 5th is 7693.12, but that's the all. I have to subtract the 5,000, and I get 2693.12. There it is. That is page 1 of your review.